Every day, the Fat Controller came to the station to catch his train. "Hello," he always said to Thomas. "Remember, the breakdown train will break down if you lift heavy things like engines and..."
What?
"That's the breakdown train. The cranes are for lifting heavy things like engines and coaches and..." The Fat Controller...
Oh!
Then came the alarm. "James is off the line. The breakdown train, quickly!" "Help! Help! Once an engine attached was afraid.
Beep, beep! Hurry up, Gordon. The train's ready. Gordon thought he was James. Ha ha ha! Laughed Percy and showed him what he looked like in a mirror.
"Take him away!"
We had spoken of signals, put in James. Would you like me to explain? No, thank you, James. He came to a signal. Bother! It's at danger. The signal moved to show line clear. Eh? It's all moved up instead of down. I know, it's one of those signals. "Come on, Percy," said his driver. "Off we go." "Stop! You're going the wrong way."
Thomas the Tank Engine was
High.
I was gonna go to work, but then I got high. I just got a new promotion.
Sometimes he'd see Thomas. I can hover like a bird. What?